Hi everyone. So today, Rohit and I will be talking about this web application that we developed. But before I move on to showing you how the web application works, I wanted to give you a little intro to how or what we were trying to achieve in this particular application. So what we're basically trying to do is getting video game related information and then mashing it up with data that we get from Amazon.com. Uh, so for this purpose, we use this video game related site called Giantbomb.com, and then we take information from this particular site and then mash it up with the data that we get from Amazon.com about where the current price is for the game and how much the game is currently selling for. So for as a really quick example, say for example I search for something like Halo 3 ODST on this particular site. So you can see that there's a lot of data available about this video game online, about the name of the game, the platforms it's published on, the publishers, a short summary of the game, and all of that, the ratings, and all of that. And on Amazon.com, if I search for the same thing again here, I can see that it's available for 15 bucks or 19 bucks. There's a collector pack available, and so on. So what our web application tries to do is take a search query from the user and then get games related to that particular search query, and then get all that information from Amazon.com about what's the pricing for that particular game, and then show that all in one place within the application framework. So for example, I search for Halo here and click on search. So what this is going to do is the application is going to take this particular search term and then search giantbomb.com for all games that are related to the Halo franchise. So as you can see here in the games retrieved section here, you can see all the different games that have come out for Halo here, and basically the information for each and every single game that belongs to Halo. And then what we have done is you can see stuff like, so we haven't taken all the information, just selected parts of the information that we think would be useful for the users, like the review score, who it's reviewed by, a short summary, and like who the developer is, who the publisher is. And then we can see stuff like what are the characters related to this particular video game. For example, if I click on, I want to know who Master Chief is, so I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to take me to the page, the Master Chief page on this particular website, so I can know more about that particular character. I can do the same thing in the Amazon information section, where you see the top 3 results from Amazon for this particular product, and say I click on Halo Reach here. It's going to take me to Halo Reach product page on Amazon, and it's going to show you that, okay, it's available for $39.96 right now from Amazon Prime. It also gives you the lowest used price, the price that you can buy from, and the lowest new price, everything included for the game from Amazon. You can also add comments here. For example, say I say something like another new comment, click on add comment. It's going to add comments to that particular game and then reload the page. And the way we save all these comments is we have a database running here, an exist database that stores all this information. And this entire web application is running on Django code, which is basically a Python framework, which means that all of our code is Python code that's running in the background. So to summarize, this is a simple prototype of how we can make sense of all this information present on the internet. We are moving towards a more semantic world, where the semantic web makes queries a much more powerful thing, and we can actually go and parse data from all over the place over the internet, and then somehow put it together in one place so that it makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll let ourselves get back to the presentation.